You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all. Correctly, this name, I should say. If you want to learn more names pronounced, including from science, that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from pronounced as Langmuir. British English and American English are slightly different. The American pronunciation is as Langmuir. Langmuir. How to pronounce Langmuir or Langmuir. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.